Hello, in this video, you will learn how to create customer match lists in Google Ads 2025. First, you will have to prepare your customer data file in CSV or TXT format with emails, phone numbers, or addresses. Then log into your Google Ads and click Tools and Settings or just Tools. And then you will see this option right here, which is Shared Library. And then you will have to select Audience Manager. And then now that you're here, you will see, it depends on your version, but you will see this plus button icon right here, and you will have to click on that, and then you're gonna have to choose custom release, and then um, you will have to upload your file. And then after you upload your file, you will name that list and then set the membership duration. And then after that, you will just have to click upload and create list and wait for processing. Use your list in campaigns under audiences. And that's all. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful.